Another very common error that we would see is when we're trying to post through a transaction, we'll get this error that pops up saying the account number requires a specific dimension. So in this case, when I use 50300, a department is required. So whatever the dimension is here that's required, when you're using that account, you'll have to go back and put that into the transaction. So I'm going to go back, and in my department section, I'm just going to put some coding in there. I'm going to put that to construction operations. And now when I try to post, it should go through no problem. So that is set up at the GL account level. If I go to my general ledger and look at my general ledger accounts, 5030, I believe, is my, cost sales materials. If I edit on that account, then I can see here my required dimensions. And, department, location, and project are all required anytime I post any transaction to that particular account. You have the option to require all of these dimensions for any account that you use in the system. So that's a really common error that we see. You just need to make sure that you're doing that coding. And if that's popping up, it's popping up for a reason. You want to be putting in that coding, unless it is a mistake, in which case, obviously, you could just go to the GL account and turn that off. So hopefully that's helpful.